What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching ShoeDIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Adidas Samba. In this video I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Adidas Sambas with a lace swap so you can update your sneakers. So let's get into it. We're going to place this one over there so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. So we're going to take the lace first of all down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just bring your lace a little way up into the sneaker, and then we're going to take the lace across the front, running it between finger and thumb just to flatten it out a little bit more. Bring it down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe, and again just pull it up a little way, and then to make sure your laces are the same length, put the ends together and pull up just like that. So I've already put some socks inside the toe cap, and I'm going to put some more socks in just to broaden out the shoe so it feels like your foot's inside it, and in that way then you're going to get some nice loose broad loops going across your shoes. So we're going to take that outside lace across to the second hole on the inside. If you catch it on your finger as well, it can help you to pull out any twists that might happen in the lace, and then take the inside lace, flattening out all the time to bring it down through that second hole on the outside of the shoe. And as you can see, if you hold it on your finger, then you can just twist it over and pull it down to make sure it comes in nice and flat. So I'm just going to check that those aren't getting too baggy and keeping them nice and relaxed to get that nice loose lace look. Then take that outside lace across to the third hole on the inside. Then the inside lace comes across to that third hole on the outside. And then when you get to the fourth loop, you want to go through the hoop on the tongue, and that's just to keep this tongue in place. So we're just going to glide it through that hoop, making sure it goes in nice and flat. And then we're going to go down through that opposite fourth hole. Then take the inside lace, take it through the hoop, over the lace that's already in there, making sure it's sitting on the top. Then bring that lace down through that fourth hole on the outside. Then keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the fifth hole on the inside. And the inside lace comes across to that fifth hole on the outside. And I'm just going to stop and make sure that all my laces are not too loose, not too tight. So trying to get the same tension in all of them. You should get that nice relaxed look, but making sure the laces are also overlapping each other. And the outside lace comes across to that next hole on the inside. And the inside lace comes across to the next hole on the outside. And then bring your outside lace, still go down through that last hole at the very top. Keeping your laces nice and relaxed. And then the inside lace again goes down through that hole, that top one on the outside of the shoe. I'm just going to push the sock down now just to make sure that I'm getting the shoe broad enough. And then we're going to take that outside lace, and this time we're going to go out through that side hole there. Like that. Just bring it out as much as you'd like, which leaves you with a loop. And then we're going to take that inside lace and we're going to go out through that side hole on the outside of the shoe. So again, just make sure that they're matched. And then those two loops go behind the tongue. So we're just going to push them behind there, and your laces are nice and soft, so you can wear those on top of your foot and underneath the tongue. So there you've got your Adidas Samba with an updated look. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Adidas Samba loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.